guys, my name is Vivian. For those of you who don't know me that well, I'm an undergraduate mathematician. I'm in my senior year of earning my bachelor's degree in math, and I'm making this video series to talk about topics in math that really excite me. So let's get right into it. Today's topic is going to be in linear algebra. It's also known as matrix algebra. One of the things that they teach us when multiplying matrices is that order matters. And this is what I mean. I'll show you an example. If you have two matrices, they're not going to be equal if you multiply them in a certain way. Like when you multiply A times B, it's not going to be the same when you multiply B times A. In school, we're used to seeing, for example, 3 by 2 gives us 6, and 2 by 3 also gives us 6. But this doesn't apply to matrices. It's a little more complicated than that. So I just wanted to give you that for context. Now I'm gonna write down, I'm now gonna show you how this doesn't work. It's not gonna be my point yet, it's just for context. And I'm gonna make them both be 2 by 2, just so that it's easier to explain, because like when we go into bigger dimensions, into bigger matrices, it gets more and more complicated. It's just a lot more complicated. And then we have like this, just A and B, two 2 by 2 matrices, nothing too crazy. Now we're going to calculate AB. And everybody, does it differently. Everybody visualizes things differently. This is just how I like to do it. You might have your own way of doing it. This may be a little more tedious. It's just, it's important when you're multiplying matrices that you are organized and you keep yourself organized, and you know where you're at in your matrix. So I do it a certain way, you might do it a different way. Everybody is different. So we're gonna get, so here we get this. And then we end up with this. So that's going to be our product matrix AB. And like I said, everybody's different. I just like to do the tallies and write everything out because that's just how I'm used to doing it. If you have your own way, that's less tedious, awesome. That's just how I do it. Of course, everybody's different. Alright, and here we get this. So that gives us 18, 7, 3, and 2. So as you can see, our matrices are different. They're not equal to each other. They're not equal to each other. That reinforces what I said earlier. And I'm getting to my point here in a little bit. I just wanted to give you this for context. Another important topic we talk about in linear algebra are determinants. So one of the properties that we learn that is very important is this property. And it'll become much more clear after I find the determinants, but you can find the determinant of the product matrix when you multiply the determinants of the original matrices, and it'll become much more clear once I show it to you. So determinant of A is going to be this minus this, and that's going to get us -3. I'm just going to write that over here. I'll use lowercase d. And then determinant of B is this. And that's going to get us -5. So I'm going to write that over here. Okay. So I'm going to keep this property up, and we are going to find the determinant of our product matrix right here. So that's 9 by 9. This is going to give us 96 minus. So this gives us 15. The determinant of our product matrix is this. Now, whenever we plug in the values to this property, we're going to find that it's going to work out. So determinant of A gave us -3, and determinant B gave us -5, and it works out. That's not the point I wanted to make though. The point that I wanted to make is this. We know that order matters when you're multiplying the matrices. They're not going to be equal. But order doesn't matter when we're talking about their determinants. Watch this. So the determinant of the other product matrix is this. This is 36. And this also gives us 15. And that is awesome. Because they drill into your mind like that order matters here. We see this. But order doesn't necessarily matter when it comes to their determinants. The products will always be different, but the determinants will always be the same. And that's the topic in math that excited me today that I wanted to share with y'all. If you guys have any suggestions on better angles or lighting, anything regarding the video, I'm learning as I go. Please feel free to let me know any suggestions you have. Like I said, I'm new to recording, I'm new to making videos, so let me know if there's a better way to record. Let me know if there's a better way to do that. But yeah, thanks for watching, guys. See you next time.